Well, good morning again. Thank you, God, for another day of life. I hope everyone is having a beautiful and very productive day. Today, I want to share how I make my own Nespresso capsules so you can save up some money. And I ordered the foils from Amazon, and I'll show you which kinds I use. They're pretty good. And then I recycle the old Nespresso capsules. I think I ordered like 1,000 before. It was a lot. Anyways, let's get to it. So these are the foil lids that I use from Create. They are awesome because they got the glue around the ring, so they fit really nice and tight. But there is different prices on Amazon, and you can order 200, 100. I would start with 100, just to be safe. Another thing that you want to use, it's some type of an instrument that has like a round tip. In Amazon, you can find, like a set to build your own capsules. But I use what I had. I'm using this little cup, and it fits the capsule perfect. So
I like espresso drinks, so I'm using this coffee. Fill it up. And you wanna press it down lightly, just enough. A little bit more.
So you're gonna it doesn't have to be perfect, but you can make sure that there is no coffee on the rings. And
This is pretty good. I still think it can be a little more to this side. Okay. There you go. Okay. I normally seal it at the end. You see this area right here? Don't seal it all the way yet, because it has glue on the sides over here, so it'll stick pretty tight once you press around.
And sometimes you make mistakes. Like earlier, I ripped one of them because I already had 2 cups of coffee, and I was pretty hyper. So I was using too much force. You don't need to press really hard, otherwise you're gonna break the foil. And another tip, you can use a rubber band so it makes it more steady. And then if you find a little dent on the capsule, you can just use the same instrument and straighten it up. So once they're nice and sealed, you gotta get this sound for them to be very effective. It's gotta be a pop.